Hi everyone. Hope you guys doing great. Today I'm at the Little India Street Fair, which is held every year in October. And last year I was with my daughter, and we had a great time. And this year, kind of alone. I just hanging out, checking out, see how's thing there. And I was invited by one of the Nepalese realtor. He had an office in this little India town, and it's just very interesting multicultural kind of gathering. And there are a lot of booths which sells like handicrafts, jewelries, perfumes from Dubai, and there's like catwalk from Indian community. Basically, Artesia is a mix of Korean, Indian, and Chinese ethnicities, pretty much there. And it's also called Little India in Los Angeles. Barbecue, wow. Barbecue.
They're gonna taking that coal and throwing it into the cart. They're gonna be pushing the cart. And I think that's the end of the dance. And this right there, and they clap. Cho chong ga chong. Honko bushi.
Let's go.
아주 쾌쇼다 쾌쇼 쾌쇼